Hey guys, it's me, Giselle, home with my brother and parents. I'm super bored and I seriously wanted to sing Bruno Mars, Lil Wayne, You're on the Wall, but my stupid iHeartRadio won't play it, so I'm going to sing Airplanes featuring Hayley Williams and blah 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 and B.O.Bob. He's made the song, something like that. I like the song, and yep. I made sure I didn't sing the song because I have a feeling that I did sing the song, but I didn't on YouTube. But I said let's just start. I look crazy, I know. I didn't brush my hair this morning. I did brush my teeth. I ate and I didn't change. I'm lazy. Wait, today I didn't feel like making a video, but I had to because I wanted to, and my brother's in here, so if I ever get distracted anytime, you'll know who it is. And every time I have to pause, my mom probably needs me, like, please. And yes, mom's on her way. Oh yeah, parents aren't here, it's just my uncle. And yeah. Mama. 1 minute. Planes and night skies like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes and night skies like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. Wish right now, wish right now. Yeah, I could use a dream or a genie or a wish to go back to a place much simpler than this. Cause after all the partying and smashing and crashing and all the glitz and the glam and the fashion and all the I made my American Girl bed. There comes a time when you fade to the blackness and when you get that phone in your lap and you hoping but the people never call you back. Read it. I don't know how to rap to the part, so. And when your plans unravel in the sand, what would you wish if you had one chance? So we're playing your place, sorry your place. On my way, so don't close that gate. If I don't make that, then I switch my flight now. To pretend that airplanes and night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes and night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Yeah, somebody take me back to the days before this was a job, before I got paid, before it ever mattered what I had in my bank. Yeah, back when I was trying to get it to that subway, and back when I was rapping for the hell. But nowadays we rapping to stay relevant. I'm guessing that if we can make some wishes out of airplanes, then maybe, maybe I'll go back to the days before the politics, then we go to rap game. And back when ain't nobody listen to my mixtape, and back before I tried to cover up my slang. But this is so decade of what's up, I've been great. So can I get a wish to end the politics and get back to the music that started this shit? So here I stand, and then again I say, I'm hoping we can make some wishes out of airplanes. In the airplanes, the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Pretend that airplanes, the night sky like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. I could really use a wish right now, right now. Right now. I wish right now. I wish right now. Okay guys. That's it for now. Toodles, subscribe and like please, and bye.